Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have an amazing new DIY that you can recreate for yourself. It's simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'll be starting off with these clear plates from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using this snowflake face filler from Amazon. I'll be using this translucent Elmer's glue, and I'm just going to fill in the spaces in between the snowflakes. These diamond base filler are from Dollar Tree. Next, I'm going to take 2 more of those clear plates and hot glue them together. Right here, I'm just adding some fairy lights. I'll be adding more of that snowflake base filler as well as diamond base filler from Dollar Tree. I'll be using this floral foam and this mirror from Dollar Tree. This diamond bling strip is from Amazon. And now it's just time to assemble everything. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. I'll be back on Tuesday at 6 p.m. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.